your local weather reports. I'm Allie.
And I'm Austin. Now let's get to the weather. Right now it is mostly sunny and is 42 degrees. The high is 42 and the low is 39. Monday night it will be 39 and a 60% chance of light rain. This will continue till Tuesday night with a humidity of 74%. Wednesday will be pretty cloudy with a high of 62 and a low of 39. Thursday will be sunny with a high of 51 and a low of 34. On Friday, there will be a morning rain and light snow with a high of 46 and a low of 25.
It's really raining here. Remember, water is wet, so if you don't want to get soaked, bring your umbrella or stay inside. But for all seriousness, don't go to flood-prone areas and be careful when walking around.
You may be wondering what causes the chance of precipitation. In a low-pressure area, the rising air cools, and this is likely to condense water vapor and form clouds, and consequently rain. The opposite is true for high-pressure area, which is why high pressure tends to give cloudless skies.
Thank you for that wonderful weather report, Austin. And now to Facts with Allie. The first fact that I have is the shape and color of clouds can help you predict the rain. Generally speaking, if you see a cumulonimbus cloud, a tall puffy cloud that looks flat at the top, or a nimbostratus cloud, a flat low-level gray cloud, you can be fairly certain that the rain is within 24 hours. My second one is that not all rain is water. On Venus and other moons and planets, rain is made of sulfuric acid and methane. Even stranger, on a planet 5,000 light years away, scientists found raindrops made of iron rather than water. And my last fact is that the least rainy place on Earth isn't the desert. It may be covered with ice, but Antarctica gets only 6.5 inches of rain or snow per year, making it the continent with the lowest annual rainfall by far. On the other end of the spectrum, Lower Columbia absorbs 534 inches of rainfall per year. North America is relatively dry by comparison, collecting 256 inches of rain annually. Thank you.
We interrupt the following weather program to tell you that this weekend there will be a hailstorm coming towards us from the west. Hail is the frozen water caused by the rounded projected head of a cumulonimbus cloud. Hailstones are large clumps of hail that form in these clouds because of sub-freezing temperatures and convection updrafts in the clouds. They can be very dangerous and can cause a lot of damage.
Now we will show you how to prepare for a hailstorm if you're going outside. First, you need something warm like a hat or a scarf. Second, you need something to cover yourself from the harsh weather, like a windbreaker or a raincoat. Next, you'll need some good waterproof shoes so you don't get your feet wet. And third, you'll need wait, these are hailstorms. They dent cars. They wreck roofs. Why are you going outside in a hailstorm? Why are we doing this? In a hailstorm, you shouldn't go outside. You should stay inside till it ends.
To go more in depth on some ways to prepare and prevent damage during a hailstorm is to replace worn or missing shingles on your roof. Hail is very strong, and with enough force, it could break down worn roofs. The second thing you should stay away from is glass windows or skylights, and closed drapes, blinds, or shades. Hail can travel at speeds around 100 miles per hour, which can cause serious damage. The third thing you should do is park your car in a garage or a covered area. Glass on your car can shatter from the force, and the metal can bend and break too. The last thing you should is to prepare an emergency kit. In the kit, you should have first aid, batteries, flashlights, lanterns, portable radio, signaling device like a horn, basic tools, canned food and water, personal hygiene products, and prescription medicines. Thank you.
Now we will tell you more about hailstorms. Hailstorms form within an unstable air mass. What makes an unstable air mass is when the temperature decreases in height and is much greater than normal. Small ice particles form above freezing, which occur in thunderstorms. The ice particles collect rainwater above them, creating a water shell that freezes. The tilted updraft and downward structure of the storm causes the hailstones to grow because they can be recycled many times until they are too heavy for the updraft to carry them, or they get stuck in the downdraft. Once the hailstones are in the downdraft, they will later hit the ground. When the hailstones reach the ground, any hailstones larger than 0.75 inches can cause serious damage. The most common damage that hailstorms can cause is roof damage. Sometimes hail's damage on your roof can be hard to detect, and the longer you leave it unrepaired, the more damage it can cause, such as water leaking through the roof and through the walls. Hail does not always fall straight down. It can also fall at angles and damage the cracks in your windows and the siding of your house. Cars and trucks, if not protected, can be susceptible to hail damage. It is quite common to have damage to glass, plastic, and metal surfaces, also to have dents in the body of your automobile.
Thanks for watching.
And see you next time on Channel 88.
I forgot my line.
Air mass is when the temperature